In a world where CapCut is taking over, not everyone gets the full experience. But why? Because hidden beneath the surface are features locked away, only visible to selected few. Exclusive effects, secret templates, and advanced tools hidden in plain sight. But there is a way. In this video, I'm not just showing you how to tweak your region settings, but I'm handing you the key to unlock the edits you have dreamed about. Let's dive in. First things first, before you open CapCut, you need to connect your VPN to Belgium. Why Belgium, you ask? Because it lets you access the latest CapCut features without any hassle. It's like an exclusive VIP pass to editing tools that most people don't even know about. And trust me, this isn't one-time trick. This works consistently. Just make sure you're connected before launching CapCut. Once your VPN is connected, open CapCut and start editing like a professional. Add all the effects, templates, and transitions you want, without any restrictions. Want that cinematic LUT? Done. Smooth transitions? You got it. AI tools? All yours. You are getting the full experience without the usual limitations. But wait, if you try to export right now, you'll hit a wall. And that's where the method gets even better. Now, here's the key move. Close CapCut completely, remove it from your recent apps. This step is important because it resets how the app processes your connection. Then open your VPN again and switch to a different server, say the UK. Why the UK? Because CapCut is now reset to different region, and now you can export the edited video effortlessly. Now reconnect and reopen CapCut. Now without touching your edited video, just hit export. Don't pick anything, just go straight to export. Boom, your video with all the features used exports flawlessly without any problem. And yes, you can even change the export settings. Want 4K resolution? You got it. Need a higher bitrate? No problem. This method works like a charm every single time. And the best part, you don't have to worry about losing edits midway. Now, as long as you followed these steps, you're good to go. Got a second device? Just repeat the process and you'll have access to features. Also, keep an eye out of updates. Sometimes new servers work even better. If this method ever stops working, experiment with other VPN locations like Sweden or Germany. If this helped, smash that like button and drop your questions below and subscribe for next level content. From cut to CapCut, your edits do the talking. See you in the next video. Goodbye.